Never know what could happen in the bush.
Milton's decided to take the teenagers to check the croc traps he said earlier.
They're probably the worst crocodiles anywhere in the world, I'd say.
Milton's trapped a 4-metre croc.
Be careful. Bloody hell. Go on, you horrible looking bloody thing.
The yearly bull catch is Coolabah's most dangerous event.
Big one got out of here, eh? That's how you do it, eh?
The Joneses have a slight problem. A saltwater croc has gotten past Milton's river traps and moved into the billabong near the homestead. The boys are going to try to poke the croc onto the bank. Or something.
It was a pretty good shot, actually. Livened him up a bit.
With a bit of a struggle, they've got the beast on the bank. A helicopter has crashed somewhere on Coolabah Station. As Milton heads out, he doesn't know what he'll find. Then, they spot something in the heavy tree growth.
I think they've just run out of power. Just too heavy, too hot, inexperienced. Very lucky to be alive.
After a call to the owner, the deal's done. Milton will clear the wreck for free and keep it for spare parts. The wreck will swing dangerously when it's lifted. The last thing Milton wants is another accident. Finally, they're out of the danger zone.
No, she's looking good, mate.
This is what the Joneses do best. The job today, they've got to drive 2,200 head of cattle into the holding yards. Keeping 3 choppers fueled and flying for a 15-hour day isn't an easy job.
Staying over the top of your lane, just stay at that level. Flying over the top of yours.
Hello, just be careful, eh?
You want to stay away from there.
Hey, this is good fun.